Imagine a frozen wasteland, where the wind howls like the ghosts of forgotten explorers, and the ice stretches endlessly under a sky that shimmers with auroras. In the heart of Antarctica, beneath layers of eternal snow, scientists drill into the unknown, their machines humming against the silence. And then, a discovery that defies the very fabric of reality, a shimmering anomaly. A ripple in space-time, whispering secrets from beyond our world. What if this isn't just a glitch in the ice? What if it's a portal, a gateway to realms we were never meant to touch? As the first beams of light pierce through, the air hums with an otherworldly energy, pulling us into a question that could rewrite everything we know about the universe. In the stark isolation of the Antarctic Research Station, where the sun dips below the horizon for months at a time, a team of geophysicists and quantum theorists gathers around a core sample pulled from miles beneath the surface. The year is 2025, and what they've uncovered isn't a fossil or a mineral vein, it's a distortion. A field where compasses spin wildly and instruments fail. Picture the scene: bundled figures in thermal suits, their breaths fogging the air, staring at a holographic display that shows gravitational waves bending in impossible ways. This portal, if that's what it is, isn't a swirling vortex from science fiction, it's subtle, almost poetic, a faint shimmer like heat rising from desert sand. But here in the coldest place on Earth, the stakes are immense. Touch it, and you might unravel the threads of our reality, or unlock doors to infinite possibilities. Feel the chill seep into your bones as the scientists debate, is this a natural phenomenon, born from the planet's magnetic heart, or something engineered, a relic from a time before humanity? The air crackles with tension, the weight of discovery pressing down like the ice above, reminding us that some thresholds, once crossed, change everything forever. As we delve deeper, let's trace the scientific roots of this enigma. Antarctica has long been a vault of mysteries, its ice sheets preserving echoes of Earth's ancient climates. Beneath the continent lies Lake Vostok, a subglacial body of water sealed off for millions of years, teeming with microbial life that thrives in darkness and pressure. But this portal, it draws from theories in general relativity, where space-time can curve so sharply that distant points connect through shortcuts, wormholes. As Einstein and Rosen first proposed in 1935, visualize it: the fabric of the universe like a sheet of paper, folded so that two distant spots touch. In Antarctica, extreme conditions, intense magnetic fields from the South Pole, combined with quantum fluctuations amplified by the cold, could stabilize such a bridge. Questions arise: why here? In this frozen frontier, perhaps the continent's isolation from human interference allows quantum effects to manifest unchecked. We see the scientists deploying probes, slender devices that vanish into the shimmer, only to re-emerge with data streams showing altered particle behaviors, electrons entangled across impossible distances, hinting at parallel realities bleeding through. The mystery deepens as we consider the emotional pull of such a find. Imagine the lead researcher, her face illuminated by the anomaly's glow, recalling childhood dreams of stars and hidden worlds. This isn't mere data, it's a call to wonder, a reminder that our universe might be one thread in a vast tapestry. Real science grounds us here. Quantum mechanics tells us particles can exist in multiple states until observed, a principle that scales up in theories of the multiverse, where every choice branches into new worlds. What if this portal is a tear in that veil? Visual explanations unfold like a dream sequence, the probe's camera feed flickering, showing glimpses of alternate Antarcticas, one lush with prehistoric forests, another scorched by a different sun. Deeper still, the anomaly emits low-frequency waves, resonating with the human brain, evoking visions that blur the line between science and hallucination. Emotional wonder surges as we ponder: are these echoes of what could have been, or invitations from beings who traversed these paths eons ago? The pacing builds. each revelation pulling us toward the edge, where facts dissolve into profound unknowns. Yet, as the exploration intensifies, anomalies multiply, magnetic readings spike, suggesting the portal draws energy from Earth's core, potentially destabilizing the planet's field. Simple explanations think of it as a natural battery, where piezoelectric effects in the ice convert pressure into electrical charge, fueling the rift. But the mystery escalates what lies on the other side. Probes return with samples of air laced with isotopes not found on our periodic table, elements that decay in patterns defying our laws of physics. We feel the awe, the quiet thrill of touching the infinite, as scientists hypothesize connections to dark matter, the invisible scaffold holding galaxies together. Dark matter portals, theorized in particle physics, could explain gravitational lensing observed in space-light bending around unseen masses. Here on Earth, in Antarctica's purity, such a gateway might form stably, a window to the cosmos' hidden architecture. Emotional layers build fear of the unknown mingles with exhilaration. As one researcher whispers of sensing presences, intelligences observing back, the narrative weaves through these threads, each question unveiling a deeper enigma, leaving us suspended in a web of wonder. Before we step further into the unknown, take a moment to subscribe to Future Lens so you and I can keep exploring worlds beyond time, space, and imagination together. Now, as we expand into the broader consequences, envision the ripple effects cascading across humanity. If this portal proves traversable, what futures unfold? Tension mounts as governments converge on the site, their helicopters slicing through blizzards, sealing off the area under veils of secrecy. Cosmic questions loom. Could this connect to other anomalies, like the Bermuda Triangle's electromagnetic storms or the Tao's hum in New Mexico? Low vibrations echoing unexplained. Rooted in science, these might all stem from tectonic stresses creating piezoelectric fields, opening micro-portals that disrupt navigation. But here, the scale amplifies step through, and you might emerge in a parallel Earth, where history diverged, dinosaurs never extinct, or humanity evolved differently under alien skies. Visual storytelling paints the scene a volunteer, suited in experimental gear, edges toward the shimmer, heart pounding as reality warps, or builds as data suggests time dilation minutes inside equaling hours outside, echoing relativity's predictions near black holes. Hidden truths emerge, ancient myths of doorways to other realms, from Celtic fairy rings to Aboriginal dreamtime portals, perhaps grounded in observed quantum events by early observers. Deeper still, the portal challenges our understanding of consciousness. Quantum theories propose that observation collapses wave functions, shaping reality. What if crossing alters not just location, but the observer's mind? Tension rises with reports of returned probes showing biological changes, microbes evolving rapidly, as if exposed to alternate evolutionary pressures. Future possibilities tantalize, harnessing this for interstellar travel, bypassing light speed limits via wormhole networks, as theorized in string theory's extra dimensions. Yet, dangers lurk. Instability could trigger seismic upheavals, melting ice caps and flooding coasts, or worse, invite incursions from hostile realities. Visuals swirl in the mind's eye, cities transformed by influxes of exotic matter, skies filled with unfamiliar constellations. Emotional depth intensifies, blending hope with trepidation. As we grapple with the hubris of tampering with creation's seams, the narrative arcs toward profound implications, where one discovery could unite or fracture our species, forcing us to confront our place in a multiverse of endless echoes. As consequences spiral, hidden truths surface about Antarctica itself. Ice core samples near the portal reveal anomalous layers, pollen from extinct plants, trapped in ice dated to the Eocene, but with genetic markers suggesting cross-dimensional contamination. Science explains quantum tunneling allows particles to leap barriers, perhaps enabling macroscopic leaks between worlds, or envelops us as simulations project scenarios portals as natural regulators, balancing energies across universes, preventing collapses like those in big crunch models. But tension peaks with ethical dilemmas should we seal it, preserving our reality, or explore, risking everything. Visual journeys take us through imagined traversals, emerging in a world where gravity pulls sideways. Colors shift beyond human spectra, evoking wonder and isolation. Future visions unfold colonies in parallel realms, solving overpopulation, or wars over control of these gates. The storytelling builds to a crescendo, each revelation a brushstroke on a canvas of cosmic scale, leaving viewers breathless with the beauty and terror of the infinite. Slowing now, as the Antarctic winds whisper their final secrets, we reflect on what this portal truly means for humanity. In the quiet expanse of ice, where life clings tenaciously to existence, we see a mirror of our own fragility, a species on the brink of transcending its cradle, yet forever bound by the mysteries that birthed us. This discovery isn't just about science, it's a poetic reminder that the universe is alive with possibilities. Each portal a doorway to versions of ourselves we might become. Existence, in its vast tapestry, weaves threads of chance and choice, inviting us to ponder, are we explorers or intruders in this grand design? As the shimmer fades in our minds, leaving echoes of wonder, remember that the greatest portals lie within the curiosity that drives us to gaze into the abyss, only to find it gazing back with infinite grace. And in that frozen silence, one truth resonates eternally. Perhaps the real portal is the human spirit, forever reaching toward the stars, whispering to the cosmos, what if?